Hello students, good morning. My name is Ram and welcome back to my new YouTube video career journey. And now today's topic is instant based learning and model based learning. So we will discuss the instant based learning. What is instant based learning? Its working process and real life example. And same as model based learning. So first of all, instant based learning. So instant based learning is a machine learning method where the model does not learn a fixed formula immediately. It means our model is not learn a fixed formula immediately. Like a machine learning algorithm learns from the data or generates a mathematical formula or predicting the outputs. But in instant based learning, here the model does not learn a fixed formula immediately. Instead, it stores training data and compares new data with previous examples. It's memorized data. When suppose an data is stored in the training model, and this when new data is coming, then it compares the first data and the second data with each other and gives the prediction as per the result. And suppose here in our train data, this data is stored, and this our upcoming data. So when this data is coming, it's compare itself with train data and gives the result as per the train data. It is also called as a lazy learning. Why it's called as lazy learning? Because it can't learn the patterns or not create a mathematical formula to predict the result. That's why it's a lazy learning. Memory based learning, you see that it stores the data, training data, and now that's after that predict the result. So it's called as instant based learning. Now we will discuss the working process of the instant based machine learning. Now working process of this method is first of all storing data. I will say in instant based learning, first of all it stores the training data, then new data come. I suppose this is our stored data, then new data come. When new data is coming for predicting the result, and compare with stored example. Suppose compare both of them, then find nearest similar data, predict output. Suppose this is an our graph. Suppose this is an data. This is our training data, stored data, training stored data. Now new point is come. Now it's compared to this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Each and every point compare the this point to other point. Now for this point, which is the nearest here, this and this is near. So compare both of them and predict the outputs. It's like an KNN. You know that in future videos we will discuss the KNN algorithm, nearest neighbor, like that work instant based learning like. So real life example. Suppose you want to identify a fruit. We already saw red plus round is equals to apple, yellow plus long is equals to banana. This data is an memorized pattern. So now new fruit comes. Red plus round. The system checks previous stored example. So we stores example this training data. Then this looks similar to apple. So it predicts apple. Same like that. It's k nearest neighbor. The algorithm checks nearby data points, find nearest neighbors, and give prediction based on majority. It's this algorithm not create a mathematical formula to predict the output as per this. It's an like an k nearest neighbor. It's compare the first data point to the other data point, or memorize the points and use the result as per the characteristics of similarities between them. Then second one is model based learning. So model based learning is a machine learning method where the system learns patterns from the data. Now see this. In model based learning, the system learns pattern from data. In instant based learning, its models not generate any fixed formula. It generates a fixed formula and create a mathematical model like a linear regression model. Linear regression model is equals to yx plus b. This is a formula. It's a linear regression, and each and every algorithm has its own mathematical formula. Each and every model in machine learning can create its own mathematical formula and predict the result as per this. So after learning, it uses the model for prediction. also called as eager learning. Now the working flow of the suppose these are our data sets, the new data is come. Then here this in this it's to create a mathematical formula and learn the patterns from the training data, and after that it's predict the result. So working flow same as collecting training data, learn patterns, collecting training data, then learn patterns, then create mathematical model and use model for prediction and predict the result. Same this then it's a difference between the instant based learning and model based learning. So real life example, suppose you study more hours, more marks. Suppose the system learns pattern like marks 5 into study hours plus 20 marks. So 5 times study hours plus 20 marks is equals to, now if a student studies 6 hours, now these 5 hours is replaced with 6 hours. So it's calculate the mathematical formula and put the 6 into the instead of the 5 and the calculating the results. It's called as predicting the result as per the it's given mathematical fixed formula. So it's called as a model based learning. So yeah guys, today's lecture is done. Now first 4 5 lectures are just on a theory. After that we will cover each and every topic in machine learning with an practical example. So thank you for watching this video and thank you for your support, and let's do comments with your my give me suggestion for improving me. I know that my voice is not clear because I have not a proper resources, but I will improve in my future videos. So thank you for watching the video. Yeah, bye.